guys, welcome back to my slime channel. So in today's video, I will be testing the new Carina Garcias slime kit. Well, it's not new, it's been out for a while, but I've never bought it. And I got it at Target for $20. I know it's expensive, it seems expensive, but I've seen so many videos and it looks so worth it. And I already took everything out, as you can see. Directions, all that jazz. But I mean, just so I'm all set up and don't take an hour. Oh no, so I forgot to tell you, if you do like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, you'll be part of the right squad. Forgot to say that. But without further ado, let's get on to the video. So I'm gonna start. I'm just gonna kind of do this myself. I'm gonna try to make a glitter slime with the clear glue. Oh, and I also brought some activator, container, shave cream, lotion, just in case it comes in need. And then I'm just gonna. Alright, I was just making a hole for. I'm not gonna use all the clear glue. The clear glue seems very watery. Like, look at that. It's super watery. It's like water. Seriously. I think almost like what I think she did was like mixed in like a normal glue. So here. Like, I feel like she mixed in normal glue and then added water to it because it's super watery. Like, it's insane. So, yeah. Let's start by adding in the glitter. Oh my god, the glitter is gorgeous. And I don't know. So, yeah. The only thing I don't like about the kit is the activator is blue, so if you want to make a clear slime, it'll just end up being blue. But, I mean, if I want to make a clear slime, I have some other activator. It's Elmer's Magical Liquid, but I transferred it into this because it's easier. So I'm just gonna open the thing, if I can ever open it. Yeah, here. Sorry for taking so long. Okay, this thing, it's so small. Here. Here we go, I got it. I think. No! Here it is. I opened it up. I'm not gonna pour all the glitter because, yeah. So here. Oh, and I also brought an extra mixing tool just in case. So here it is so far. Now, I'm just gonna mix it in. I'm actually just gonna use my mixing tool because personally I like it better. Man, this glue is kind of freaky. It's so watery. Look at that. But we'll see. Now we're gonna add in our activator slowly. Okay, I just need to. I just made a little hole so then the activator will actually come out slowly. Okay. I'm worried this is not going to activate. It's so watery. Because, like, look at how watery that is. Although it's activating. I feel like it's going to be super. Whoa. This is actually kind of cool. Like how watery it is. Now, I'm not surprised if I do fail because of like how watery this is. Like, I mean, I don't know. Like, I can see it's activating. But like, it's still. It's so weird. And I also have a little towel under there just in case any spills, which have already happened. So I'm just gonna mix because I feel like part by part it's activating. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep on mixing and mixing until it kind of comes together. Oh yeah, it's coming together. I see it coming together. But I mean, yeah. So I'm just gonna activate it some more. So maybe I should start like. Yeah, it's definitely activating. Okay. So I hear some noise. My mom's just doing laundry. Ooh, it's starting to come together. Ooh. I think it's actually kind of easier to make them clear than just the Elmer's clear glue. Because Elmer's clear glue is super hard. It's coming together. Oh my gosh. This is actually super cool, guys. I'm going to start going with the hands. It seems like it's ready now. Ooh. This is pretty. This is like mermaid slime almost. It's so jiggly. I mean, I knew the slime was super watery, but I never knew it was I never could really tell how watery it was. I think it still needs a little mixing with the tool because it still is really sticking to my hands. I'm just gonna add a tiny bit more of activator because it's pretty much good now, but it's still getting really residuey on my hand. I mean, it's so pretty though. I'm just gonna quickly, ooh. It seems like it's ready with my hands, I guess. I mean, I don't know. Here, I'll do a little more mixing. Yeah, I think it's ready for my hands. Then I'll just add a tiny squirt of activator. Ooh. This is so cool. It's kind of overactivated, but I don't blame them. It's kind of myself because I didn't know how much activator to add. The only one other comment I wish they had containers. That's why I brought a container because I knew I'd probably be needing one. So yeah. So here's the clear. It's super duper nice. So I'm just gonna put it in the container. But it's super duper, it's super droopy. That's the only thing. I'm gonna add some activator. It's probably because it's so jiggly that it gets super just droopy, you know what I mean? Okay, I'm just getting kind of sidetracked here, but I think the slime's all good now. I mean, I kind of spilled a little bit of the slime on the paper thingy, but I had to just paper towel under here because I knew this would happen. I mean, that sounds cool, but I need it kind of almost needs to be overactivated to even play with it because my hands get so dirty. Just, get glue all over them. So, yeah, I mean, I'm just going to quickly wipe my hands off with another paper towel here. Just because, And then quickly clean off my... There we go, okay. Okay, there we go, people. I'm just gonna add a bunch of activator. I mean, this slime isn't necessarily worth it, I don't think, because it's just so sticky. Like, I have to add a ton of activator. And I'm just gonna, like, try to get the leftovers. Because I spilled, like, a bunch of slime on here. But, I mean, it's super droopy, people. I mean... So, yeah, I don't totally blame the thing. But I wish, so I know she has like a pretty new one coming out, or it may have already came out. Okay, I wet my hands some more. Now I'm just gonna kind of wipe off the container and the spoon. Yeah, I kind of, because you don't. So, never mind. Okay, here we go. I mean, I'm gonna try to clean it. It's fine if my next slime that I have has a little glitter in it. Because honestly, it doesn't matter if there's a little glitter. Because with the next slime, it's just super simple and easy. I'm just gonna quickly move all my stuff off just so I can change the paper towel because it's pretty dirty. So here we go. So I think I'm gonna make the glow in the dark next. And I'm going to use Starbucks blue. And not me exact. Because I don't have to, people. Boy, I hate when these put the little black caps. I mean, actually, they're not that hard. Because, I mean... And I love Craft City. It's the bomb. They have some new, like, slimes. I mean, they don't have it on my Target yet. They're getting them, the Target by my house, they're going to get them on May 1st. Like, because it's awesome, because then you don't have to wait, like, you know, like 7 weeks to get a slime from a slime shop. If you don't know what it is, then just, like, search video. Even on Carina Garcias' channel, on Justin Mira, on a bunch of channels, they have it. Have, like... unboxing it. And some other Targets already have it. But I mean, you know. So I'm just going to quickly open it. I'm just going to pour the whole thing. I know it seems like a lot. But I do. I mean, I don't care. Because I want this to be super glowy. I've seen the glow part. It works pretty well. I'm pretty sure. I just pour the whole thing. Here, I'll show you what it looks like. I'm just gonna mix it all up. I'm gonna add a color palette. And I'm just gonna add a color palette. I don't think it's gonna do much because I've colored the color tablets are actually pretty cool. I mean, sometimes food coloring is just easier, but still, color tablets are actually super duper. Now, I really like to add the whole thing of white glue, but I kind of wanted to because it's actually super cool. And then for the last time I'm going to do, it's like the water slime with the water drop water. I'm going to have to check on the directions because I do not know how to make it. Because I've seen people do it, but you know. I'm just adding the activator in. Here's what it, okay, I'm just gonna bring the camera over. Now, I love Carina Garcias. You should go subscribe to her channel, because I mean, if I can do it, you can do it. And her channel is just so cool. Even her vlog channels, all her channels. There we go, okay. So, I can see it's activating. I mean, okay. Man, this takes a lot of activator. So I added in my activator the Elmer's Magical Liquid just to help it activate a little faster. I don't know what kind of activator this is. Slime activator. It's probably top secret. I mean, more of their secret, like the Elmer's Magical Liquid. I mean, I can see it activating. It's taking a lot. I just poured in a lot, but this is taking a while, so I feel like maybe pouring in that much, like a good amount, just kind of helped it. Yeah, because I can see it's activating now. Okay. Okay, here. So it looks like it's starting to really clump up. Yeah, I think I may have kind of overactivated a tiny bit because like I kind of like poured in more activator because I was kind of getting tired of constantly adding in, activator. So that's actually kind of my fault, but I'm gonna still mix it because it's still sticky. Geez, I could actually add in more activator. Okay. I think I'm good on activator. Oh, there's the color tablet. It's still totally mixed in. Jeez. I can't believe how much activator this takes. I bet if I were to have the Elmer's glove, it would activate like right away. I mean, if you're using the bark mixture, if you use a strong one, then it'll activate quick. But I mean, I'm using Elmer's Magical Liquid and the Craft City. And the Craft City activator. Come on. It's like activating. You can tell it's like super clumped up. But the thing is, it's like so sticky. Like, look at that. Okay, I think I poured in enough activator. I'm serious about this time. Yeah, because it's finally activating. Like, really, like, actually, like, not sticking to the finally. Do you know how bad my arms hurt? It's still super gluey. This is kind of damn. Yeah, like I like Carina Garcias, but the only issue is like her actual glues. I don't really like her glue. Like both types. Like I mean, her white glue isn't horrible, but like I'm still near going with the spoon because it's still too sticky. to the code. Okay. Yeah, it's like activating, but it's so sticky. Like, it's just kind of becoming a drag. Just adding more activators. Activator after activator. Okay. I think I added enough activator, and this time, I mean it. I'm pretty sure I already added in too much activator. But this thing is so hard to activate. Like, it's so sticky. Whoa, it's actually here. I just need to move the candy over. Whoa, it's actually gonna kind of be stretchy. I think it's also because I didn't. Okay. I should have rolled up my sleeves. I'll just do that. Okay. It's activated, pretty much. I mean, it still needs a boatload of action. Okay, guys. I thought I overactivated it. I guess I didn't. I am so sorry, guys, for this looking so bad. And I mean it. Also, I'm sorry. I am bad at posting. So, yeah. I'm like sorry to my life for being so bad at posting. Because I mean, I try to post, but I just always have other things. I think of like a day after I post, I'm like, oh, I should post, and then I just never do it. But this time activated. Like, hey. It's actually super pretty. With just a little bit of glitter, it makes it look super pretty. There's still some leftover glue, not a lot of leftover glue, but it's not even worth it. I'm just gonna over-activate that leftover glue. Because honestly, this is actually super nice. But what I do like about it when I'm done activating, it's actually super thick. Like, this is super thick. I know, you try to get that thick slime with Carina Garcias clear glue and white glue, it's just not going to work because the clear glue is so watered down. Because literally, I'm just going to grab this container. Oh, here it is. Okay, I just quickly grabbed it there. Container, because I only got one, because I didn't realize the kit did not come with a container. And now, once again, I'm sorry for this video being so long. I'm sorry for being bad at posting. I mean, yeah, I'm admitting it. So, yeah. So, if I'm admitting I'm bad at posting, then I'm pretty sure I'm bad at posting. I'm just adding a bunch of activity to this last part. I'm not going to even bother. I'm not even going to bother to change the thing because my hands are still super dirty. But I just need to play with the slime a little more. Still kind of need it. I may need this overactivated part, just because it's just going to make it easier. I can already kind of see it glowing. So, yeah. Now, I know I've said this a bajillion, quadrillion times. I am sorry for being so bad at posting. I mean, yeah, I think I'm pretty good at videos. Sometimes videos are a little more crappy, but I mean, I'm pretty good for just not really being a popular channel. But yeah, this video super long, so I'm gonna probably cut out some parts or like, you know, just speed up parts. Or like, I bet I could have added a tablespoon of activator and it still would have been sticky. Like, this is, I can literally add this to a slime. Look at that. Yeah, I don't like her glue at all. Like, I hate both glues. Like, at first I thought the white glue would just activate normally, like, you know. Put it in the container. Thought the glue would just activate normally. Because, like, I mean, I thought it was just, you know, normal slime. I knew the kind of clear glue may take, like, a while or activate kind of weirdly. This is actually so nice and thick. I love it. It just took a lot of activator. But it's still worth it, people. Just, you know, try to keep it more neat. Because I kind of, I mean, I'm trying my best here, people. So, yeah, so you know. So, I'm just putting the slime in a bag because I kind of forgot to get more containers because I just didn't really use my brain, but it's not a big deal. And yeah. So I'm just gonna quickly clean this, let the container off. I'm just gonna use the bag as my garbage bag right now. Because honestly, I don't have them. So, yeah. And the last one is the water gel slime. Yeah, the last one's the water gel slime I'm gonna try. Now I'm gonna quickly wipe off my container. Alright, it may say the white glue, but I don't know, I hope not, because I already made. But it's fine if this gets dirty because I'm throwing it away. I know it's plastic, but it's too hard to clean because, like, it's slime. And, you know, slime, you can't really clean. Wait, I forgot. There's an even bigger trash bag. But I'm just going to put it in here because... So, last slime. Okay. So this just tells you what it includes. So, make it glow, make it sparkle, make it glue. Okay, here it is. How to make water gel blob slime. Measure 1/2 teaspoon of water gel powder and pour it into a bowl. So, oh yeah, I put it right over here. I think what I'm going to do is just grab a paper bowl from over here because honestly, this bowl is really dirty. So, yeah. I'm just going to use a paper bowl because look at this. It's too much now. It's just gotten really dirty. Ugh. Now, okay, so it says, let me see here, make it up to add 1/2 teaspoon. And let me quickly get my little cat measure. So, this is a 1/2 teaspoon. Nice. Okay. Okay, here it is. So I'm just gonna do it over the bowl. There we go. I mean, just just a tiny bit more than a half a teaspoon, but it's not a big deal. Because I didn't mean to. I just kind of got some in there. Okay, next step. Good. Add 1/2 teaspoon of water gel powder. Pour into a bowl. Then measure 4 tablespoons of water. So 4 tablespoons. Okay. 1 tablespoon. So I'm just gonna do this here. Oh gosh. Okay. Here I'm gonna use the container. Here. I'm just gonna use the container because one, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I added all extra. And I mean, oh, I have to clean this because I have some water. So now it says mix together with a spoon. Okay, I'm not gonna use this because it's looking pretty sad. I'll just use this. Whoa! It's like fake snow. What the heck? Okay, so it says make a gooey water and then mix together with a spoon. And then this spoon. The powder turns into a water gel blobs. Okay. Here I need to read it better. Okay, so of water mixed together with spoon. The powder turns into a water gel. Okay. I mean, the water gel turns into water gel. That's the only part. That like it just doesn't sound right. I mean, okay. So it's all done. Now I'm just gonna mix it up. So I wonder what adding slime to it turns out like. I have an idea. I'm just gonna take a tiny bit of my slime here. I know it's not a lot, but I want to see what adding it into slime turns out like. I wonder if I'll make it like a cloud slime. For some reason, I think it's gonna turn into a cloud slime. Yeah, it kind of does. It actually melts it a little bit. Yeah, it melts it. It's not worth it. But that's cool. The water gel one, it's cool, but like, and the water gel one's like super cool, but it's not really worth it because like literally all you can do with it, look, is just it's like fake snow, but it melts the sun and put it. It's kind of messy. That's just because I have slime all over my hand. But I mean, I still recommend to buy it. I mean, it's still pretty nice actually. It's like fake snow, like literally. It's really fake snow. But the thing is, when I added slime, it literally melted it. Like, literally, when I touch it. It's like back into a goop. But I would still try it, because it's cool for fake snow. So I hope you enjoyed my video. I'm sorry it's so long. I'm gonna probably speed up some part, just because it's so long, and it kind of gets boring, you know. I hope you enjoy the video, and once again, I'm sorry for I'm bad at posting. I'm going to try to post more. I'm going to try to push myself to post more. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn those notifications so you never miss another video. And if you do those 3 things, you're part of the right squad, which is a good thing, isn't it? I hope it is. I'm just kidding. Yeah, okay. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and bye. Sorry. Okay, bye.